What? Shut up.
Well, we are taking Art driving today for her second time.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see how well she does.
Alright.
This is the parking lot. This is Bethany. Okay. Yeah, that was way too...
It was way too what?
That was way too sharp, sweetheart.
Alright. Well, nobody died.
So watch her driving. Indicator.
I'm indicating that I'm going left. Alright. Now I gotta stop. Shut up. Who's driving? Who's driving, alright?
Stay in your lane.
Staying in my lane, alright? Now I'm gonna...
You so didn't turn your blinker on.
Hey, I don't give a fuck. They need to be paying attention, alright? Gotta keep people on their toes.
Bethany, what do you think about her driving so far?
Slow.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, please don't accelerate with the gas.